Hi everybody, welcome back to Model Car Minions Workshop. This is my final reveal on the Muscular Dystrophy group build, hosted by Scott at Saltwater Scale Models. I cut out and glued in a small piece of felt as a headliner to cover up the clear plastic that goes between the front and rear windshields. I want to give a special thanks to Gary at Gaz the K's Model Works for encouraging me to do a black wash on the wire wheels. It really makes a difference. Thanks, Gary. So this is the final reveal of my muscle car build for the Muscular Dystrophy group build. And let's see here. You can see there's glare. You got the magazine, hot rod magazine in the back. I did the tail lights with a red Sharpie. I've got the Superman comic book on the front seat. You'll see that better in the pictures. Take the hood off. It doesn't want to come off now. I made my spark plug wires and little brake cable there. The detail painted the battery, the rad, the overflow windshield washer, and underneath you got a little bit of detail painting under there as well. So I'll let you see the slideshow. Thanks for watching, and thanks very much, Scott, for hosting this Muscular Dystrophy group build. I'm glad to be part of it. That's it for now. Enjoy the rest of the show, and I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.